So the way this resetblue command works is pretty cool. It actually builds each part of the house independently. So if we hit the C key, you can see how this works. On the chat command resetblue, it clears out the area with air, then adds all the blue blocks and hollows that out, etc. But I went ahead and broke it into small parts so we could see what that looks like. So blue 1 will build just the blue chunk, and then blue 2, blue 3, and blue 4. So let's see what those do. If I just do blue 1, it's just a big house, and it's actually completely full of blue. And so what we want to do is hollow this out with the air. So if I do blue 2, it does the next step, which is fills out the inside with air. So I'll do the blue 1 again to refill it all. Blue 2 actually hollowed it out, although you can't see it unless I break into it. There you can see it is actually hollowed out. And then blue 3 will put the door in. And then blue 4 will put in all the glass. Minus the parts that are missing here because I destroyed some. So we could put them all together by doing a reset blue. And that puts them all together all at once. So now that you know that, how do you know where to place the blocks to fill this whole chunk with blue? So it says it's going to fill with blue from -5, 0, and 9, which is X, Y, and Z. -5, 0, 9. Let's go find out where that's at. I'll hit escape. So if I clear blue, and I'm looking at my position in the top left of my screen, right below my little guy up there. It says position -1, 0, 16. We're looking for -5, 0, 9. So if I start walking in a direction, you see I'm getting close to -5 on that first number, and there I'm on it. And then I want 0 and 9. So I'm on 0. 9 must be this way, yep. And I see that number's going down because if I look up here, it says north is -Z, which means south is +Z. So that's why when I back up this way, the number 53 is 54, 55, 56, because that's going up on the Z. And now it's going down. So I want -5, 0, 9. So that's the block right here that I'm standing on. So that's where it knows to put that first block. And then, to get the far corner over there, we want to go over here. And if I fly up in the air and just stand on it and go up in the air, -8, 3, 16. There it is, -8, 3, 16. That's why it filled that whole area with blue, because I said from that corner to this top corner, fill with blue, which is what it did when I type in blue 1. And resetblue just simply adds all those commands all at once, instead of doing them as individuals like over here. So you can play around with that and fill it with different materials, anything you want. So I could change this to, let's try red concrete powder, sure. So when I do resetblue, it built my entire house. Well, the concrete powder fell down, but it attempted to use that. So I'm going to change that back so I don't forget. But anyways, so have fun playing with that and see if you can build your own house using just code. Also, one last tip, the clearing of the blue house is one of the commands over here. Right here, this clear blue. That's what that does. It literally just fills the whole area with air. So when I do a clear blue, it fills it with air, which means it destroys all the blocks. So it looks like it deleted it. It technically just filled it with air. So try that out and see what happens.